Welcome to our channel. Today in this video I am going to create this beautiful abstract soft wavy shapes looping animation in Blender with the help of the shader editor. And if you want to find this file and support this channel, then you can visit my Patreon page. Link is in description. So let's start the video. Open the Blender and this is the shading workspace, and here I add the object by pressing Shift A, which is the icosphere in my case, and here I subdivision level I increase this up to the 10, and now hit the new button to create the material for this object, and here I add some node. First, here I add the color ramp by pressing Shift A, search for the color ramp and put it into the base color. And here now I add the texture, which is the wave texture, and here put it into the vector and also into the material view. And now this is the beautiful wave texture. And now select this wave texture and press Ctrl T. This will be add the texture coordinate and mapping, and this is due to the node wrangler add-on enabled. And here I use this coordinate and move these guys here, and here I add another node, which is the noise texture, and put it here. Beautiful. And now here I change some setting of this noise texture, and here I decrease the scale up to the 1.5, and also decrease this detail to the 0. And here in color ramp I adjust some values, and here I change this to the B spline, and here I make this color something like this dark color. Beautiful. And also increase the roughness up to the 0.8, and now I use this phase offset value in the wave texture to animate this. And here back to the frame 0 and press I to insert the keyframe and jump to the 150 frame, and here I put the value 25 and hit I to insert the keyframe. Now if I run this simulation, then you can see the nice wavy pattern. Beautiful. Now here I add the displacement. So for that, here I search for the displacement node and put it here, and here I decrease this displacement value 0.250 and put this into the displacement of the material output, and here I use this value to the height, and now the material is displaced. And make sure you are in a rendered view to view the displacement, and here you can see, and here in material, here you choose the in setting, choose the displacement and bump, and now you can see the nice displacement. And here I add the camera to the scene. So for that, search for the camera and press set the view and press Ctrl Alt 0 to focus the camera. And here I set the view of the camera. I think this is looking beautiful. Now I apply the material, some color to this beautiful wavy pattern. For that, here I search for the node, which is the mix color node, and put it here and here into the vector, and here I use both these two colors same, and here I set this value of this color, something like this, make it some more dark, and also drag this color to the color B. And here you can see the nice color. And back to this view, and here I add the background. So for that, here I search for the plane and scale it something like this, and move this plane along the z-axis, and this is looking nice here. And here I create the new material for this plane, and here I make some more blue color, and now it's looking beautiful. Now back to the rendered view, and here you can see the nice wavy patterns with the help of the shader editor. And if I run this simulation, so the object is too much heavy, and for that, here I enter into this material view, and if I run this simulation, then you can see the nice wavy patterns with the help of the shader editors. And back to the rendered view, and here you can see the render, and select this to see the all nodes. And if I press F12, then you can see the material in rendered view. And this is the final render of the abstract soft wavy shapes. Thanks for watching.